Attribute-based routing is Oceana's next-generation direct-to-agent routing. It automatically matches customers to the best agent or enterprise resources through real-time awareness of customer interactions, information, and context, along with business goals and enterprise data. With traditional routing, you have the customer, let's call her Julie, and let's say she isn't happy. She's tried to get her billing questions answered, and as all customers tend to do, she's done a lot of work in the self-service area. She's gone to the website and tried to solve the problem on her own, but wasn't able to, so she calls the contact center. In the traditional world, the contact center will not know all the trouble Julie's gone through in an effort to solve her problem. They have no idea that Julie's done everything she can on her end, but the problem has not been resolved and she's really not happy. When Julie comes through a traditional routing scheme, she's treated like any other customer and is typically sent to the agent who has been available the longest. In this case, the call would go to Amy, and Amy is looking to move on to another company and really doesn't care. So you can see what happens here. The customer will be unhappy. Julie won't get the service she's looking for because the agent that can best help her is Jerry. He's been trained to deal with escalations. How do you get the call to Jerry since Amy has been available the longest? To solve for this kind of issue and more, we've designed a next-generation routing system in Oceana. In Oceana, we have the same customer, Julie. When her call comes in, we know that she's tried everything in self-service and needs to be escalated. We know her call should go to someone who's been trained in escalations. In Oceana, Julie's call gets routed to Jerry, even though he hasn't been available the longest. That's the power of attribute-based routing. You can solve for a nearly limitless set of complex issues. If you can think it, you can program it. Move away from the limitations of typical routing.